After taking 2.5 billion years to form, I'm giving this one piece of red jasper 27 days to turn into a mirror. The transformation started with a dull red rock, rough, angular, and far from polished. Stage 1 did the heavy lifting. Coarse grit in a rotary tumbler rounded sharp edges, removed surface damage, and completely reshaped the rock. Stage 2 focused on smoothing. Using a vibratory tumbler, medium grit removed the deep scratches left behind by shaping. A silky matte finish emerged. Stage 3 prepared the surface for polish. Pre-polished grit removed fine scratches you couldn't see, but polish would reveal. The rock began to shine. Stage 4 brought out the polish. The surface stopped scattering light and started reflecting it. Deep, rich reds emerged, with lighter cream fragments standing out in contrast. 27 days. One brief moment in a journey that began nearly 2.5 billion years ago. And it all started with a single dull rock. The transformation is complete, but if you want to see the science behind how this works, click right here for the full masterclass.